How to draw a Halloween bat. Hey, learn how to draw hub crews. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making two triangle-like shapes. These will be the eyes. Later on in the video, we're going to color in the eyes a yellow color together. Nice job! Now right above the eyes that we just drew, we're going to make a big W-like shape. This will be the top of the head of our Halloween bat. Nice job! Now beginning on the left hand side of our W-like shape, on the top point, we're going to draw a line coming down. This will be the left side of the head. We're going to hop over to the right hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the left. Now we have the sides of the head of our bat completed. We're going to go and make a big curved line on each side. This will help make the wings. Now at the end point of each curved line that we just made, we're going to add in a C-like shape, similar to a curved line, but a little bit smaller. Awesome, now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We're going to use those shapes that we previously used to connect the left side all the way over to the right hand side. This will make the lower body of our bat. Happy Halloween and thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. And if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Now stick around so we can color our drawing together. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.